Well, if omega-3 fatty acid is the yin of the half, then omega-6 fatty acid is the yang of the half. Hey, it's Dr. Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and we're continuing a conversation on essential fatty acids. Now, essential fatty acids are types of fat molecules your body cannot make, you have to consume on your own. The omega-3 fatty acids are anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective. They're good for your brain, they're good for your eyes, they're good for your nerves. They're also good for your heart and for your vascular supply. And we talked last time on how you were going to get these into your system, right? Fish, eggs, grass-fed beef, walnut, flax seeds, chia seeds. Fresh foods will give you these oils. If you supplement, you need a fresh whole food supplement that's well protected in a cool space, dark bottle, so it doesn't oxidize. All right, well, what about the omega 6 fatty acids? What do they do? The omega 6 fatty acids are important, but they are in the inflammatory pathway. When your body gets injured, it requires cell signaling to tell the body this is where the problem is and let's heal it. To whether you're clotting your blood or you're healing a wound or cleaning out an infection, this all leads to what we call inflammation. Now, inflammation has a bad rap and it sounds like a bad thing, but it is critical. Anybody who has been on steroids that breaks down their inflammation will tell you they can't heal wounds. They get very prone to illness because they're missing the yang. You got to have a little bit of inflammatory pathway. Now, notice how I'm not spending much time talking about supplements of omega 6, and the question is why? Omega 6 fatty acids are everywhere. In nature, omega 6 fatty acids do sort of outnumber the omega 3s, and frankly, in the American diet, we vastly overconsume omega 6 fatty acids. The normal ratio that you should be consuming, and 100 years ago, this was the ratio 4 omega 6 fatty acids for every 1 omega 3 fatty acids. 4 to 1. This is the maximum ratio of the yin and the yang. Okay? It's the maximum. 1 omega 3 can offset about 4 omega 6s. Okay. In the last 100 years, the average American has consumed an additional 200 calories per day of omega 6 fatty acids. We now have a ratio of a minimum of 20 omega 6s to omega 3s. Where is this fat coming from? It's coming from our diet. I'll talk about that next time. Just know you've got to have the omega 6s. Do not take a supplement for an omega 6 fatty acid. You don't need it. But you do need an omega 3 fatty acid supplement, particularly if you are vegan and you're not getting enough of the algae, for example, or you're not getting animal protein, or if you're eating a pretty broad diet, but you are not getting grass-fed beef, grass or pasture-raised eggs, and you don't like fish, you're not getting enough omega-3 fatty acids. So focus on that. We'll talk next time about where all the omega 6s are coming from.